Hey everybody, it's TheModernNative and Demon. And today I'm going to show you guys how you can start a fire in the rain. Had a terrible thunderstorm this morning, and it's actually threatening a thunder watch or whatever. So we're trying to get some cooking done right now while it's a little softer than it has been. But it's been raining on and off the last few minutes. But I've got my wood prepped up. I'm going to show you guys a couple of tricks and then show you how you can start a fire in the rain even without any cover. Stay tuned. So I'm at tornado. I don't know why I keep forgetting that, but it's a tornado watch until 8 tonight. So I started working on this a little bit and then decided to catch a video. The easiest way I do this is I brace it on my leg and I just pull it back a little bit. It's not really a feather stick, like it's not super tiny, little thin, but all I need is enough surface area to catch a little bit of flame, because this stuff lights pretty easy. I just need to keep it from getting wet. And then I'll do it from both sides. Nothing pretty. You don't gotta spend a shit ton of time on it, just because I'm trying to get this done fast and get a fire going. So there, a little bit of curly cues. I've got a bunch of small stuff, so it's enough for me to start a fire quick, fast and dirty, just to get some food cooked. And I have some birch bark. Even though it did just get rained on a little bit, it's still dry enough I can still use it. Bubby, I can't play right now. I'm starting a fire. Yeah. Jerk. Yeah, if you let me get it, I'll throw it for you. But no. So, then I set up a little, kind of a log cabin version. Just enough to be able to prop it up off the ground. Take a couple of other ones. Make a little box. And of course it doesn't want to cooperate with me. There. And a few more. Give it the height because it didn't want to cooperate. And of course I forgot my lighter. Alright. I got my lighter. Because everybody's always like, oh, you got so much equipment, why don't you just use a lighter? Well, sometimes you don't have a lighter. Sometimes your lighter dies, breaks, or you lose it. That looks like that's going to catch. That would be a topper.
Ouch.
And then you lean a roof on it so it'll fall in on itself. And then sort of switch to a teepee. And this will protect it from the rain if it starts raining. It'll help it start easier. And whenever you're dealing with trying to make a fire in the rain, you have to make sure that you have wood that you can split open to get inside so you're not using the wet outside. and try to keep your wood under cover. Also, when you split it, try to stack it back to the outside so it stays protected. Or bring it back inside. But so far it seems like it's holding off a little bit, so we might be getting lucky. Give that a second. And there she goes. And bam, roaring fire. Only took a few minutes of effort, and even if it rained right now, like super hard, it'd still be fine. You just got to make sure that your fire pit doesn't like to pool. This one has nice drainage out, so it's on a slant, so it'll drain out. It's been working pretty well. Also, the good thing about all this rain is we've actually been able to stock back up on our water for our garden, so exciting to show you guys that. You know, I can't help it. Thought about it. That sounds super lame that I was excited to show you guys that I got rainwater. Dude, yeah, this sounds so lame, but it is. It's exciting. Everything is nice and watered by the rain. And look at that. That thing's almost full. That's nice. I can come in here, scoop and toss and just be fine. Fortunately, all of our sweet peas got eaten. I think our winter squash in the back got eaten. So, but this guy's doing great. Our cantaloupes are doing great. I had to move them into the garden because they kept getting drowned up on the wall. And yeah, everything is just doing beautiful. Look at all this green. That's so nice. So, that was exciting. And we would have more water if we didn't have a giant klutz that likes to jump and trip over his water. So yeah, that was a whole pot that just got spilled. Thanks, you big asshole. Here. What? Yeah? Yeah, you came out to talk shit? And he's over there. Jesus. Okay then. What? What?
Talk to me,
Huh?
baby.
What? Yeah.
I love you. I love you.
Who's my good boy?
I love you.
Oh, bless you. Yes. You're so cute.
I love you.
Look at that face.
What?
Monster, get it. You're so cute. So anyway, that was just some tips for you guys to be able to start the fire in the rain, in the wet weather, whichever, whenever you need to start a fire. It's great tips, and it's a good way to start a fire. And a quick little update on our stuff. So, thank you guys. Alright everybody, until next time, remember to get out there, be a native, and go beast.